holidays everybody, it's Ingrid from Twinkl and today I'm going to show you how to make an origami Christmas star. To do this we'll be using a template from the Twinkl website which I will link to in the description below. You can use this as a tree decoration, a topper, or just as a fun craft activity. Origami activities like this are a great way for young learners to work on their fine motor skills. The template also comes with instructions and numbered lines to help make putting it together a little bit easier. Or if you like, you can fold along with me. If you'd like a little bit more time to do a step, just hit the pause button and then unpause when you're ready. Let's get to it! Fold away from yourself along lines 1 and 2. These are the two diagonal lines. Fold along line 3 towards yourself. Open it back up and tuck in the edges like this. You should end up with a triangle shape. Fold this flap across along line 4. Then back along line 5. Fold the flap on the other side across line 6. And then back along line 7. You should be left with something like this. Flip it over. Fold this flap across along line 8. Then back along line 9. Fold this other flap along line 10. And then back along line 11. We're almost there. Find lines 12 and 13. These points at the bottom need to be folded up to complete your star. And you're done! I hope you enjoyed making that origami Christmas star with me. If you want to turn it into a tree ornament, just add a little bit of thread and it's all ready to display on your Christmas tree. If you're looking for something to do next, why not check out some of our other Christmassy crafts that we have available. There are loads on the Twinkl website and we also have some explanation videos if you would like some demonstrations on how to do them. If you liked this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to Twinkl Australia on YouTube and follow us on all of our social media handles on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. That's the best way to make sure that you don't miss out on anything twinkling. Thank you so much for watching and have a lovely day.